How to replace a massage mechanism harness on a human touch Novo XT Pro with a serial number greater than RTXP1823XXXX or a Novo XT Pro SE. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, 6mm Allen wrench, wire cutter, zip ties, and a marker. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. First, we'll remove the left side panel. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, remove the bolt that secures the front of the side panel to the chair. Lift the side panel upward, then slide it forward to detach it. Unzip the side panel from the chair. Disconnect the hoses, then remove the side panel. Next, we'll remove the back cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover, then remove the cover. Next, we'll disconnect the harness. Cut the zip tie that secures the harness to the upper horizontal mechanism frame, then cut the zip tie that secures the 2 harness cables together. Cut the 2 zip ties that secure the harness cables to the massage mechanism frame near the round blue filter, then disconnect the blue connector from the mechanism. Cut the zip ties that secure the harness cables and connectors to the horizontal metal frame. Pull the connectors away from the mechanism. Mark the white mechanism connectors with the color of the connector to which it is attached, using YW for yellow, RD for red, BE for blue, and BK for black. Disconnect the connectors. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw that secures the ground wire to the mechanism. Be sure to retain the washer. Disengage the harness from the mechanism frame, then cut the zip tie that secures the harness to the spring. Cut the zip ties that secure the harness to the lower horizontal chair frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw that secures the ground wire to the chair frame. Be sure to retain the washer. Cut the 2 zip ties that secure the harness to the lower left corner of the chair frame. Cut the zip tie that secures the harness connectors to the left side of the chair frame. Pull the harness connectors down, then disconnect them. To disconnect the connectors, press down on the release tab, use a small flathead screwdriver to separate the 2 sides of the connector, then pull the 2 connectors firmly apart. Remove the harness from the chair. Now, let's replace it. First, we'll connect the harness. Lift the hoses out of the way, then feed the white harness connector behind the lower horizontal chair frame. Connect the connector to the corresponding connector from the chair. Push firmly until you hear a clicking sound, indicating that the connection is secure. Place the connectors on the inside of the left chair frame. Thread a new zip tie through the 2 slots on the connector, then around the chair frame to secure it. Cut the excess zip tie. Using a new zip tie, secure the harness next to the connectors to the rear horizontal chair frame. Be sure no hoses get caught in the zip tie. Cut the excess zip tie. Fold the harness backward about 4 inches and then forward again, then position the top section on top of the chair frame and the lower 2 sections underneath the chair frame. Use a new zip tie to secure the folded harness to the chair frame at the left end of the fold. Cut the excess zip tie. Using a new zip tie, secure the folded harness and the other 3 nearby cables to the chair frame. Cut the excess zip tie. Confirm that none of the air hoses were zip tied to the chair frame. Thread a new zip tie through the lower harness fold, then secure the harness to the chair frame at the right end of the fold. Cut the excess zip tie. Install the ground wire loop onto the ground wire screw, followed by the washer, then replace the screw to secure the ground wire to the chair frame. Use 3 new zip ties to secure the harness and ground wire to the chair frame spaced about 2 inches apart. Make sure the zip tie heads are positioned on the top or bottom of the chair frame, so the rear-facing edge is smooth. For the third zip tie, thread the zip tie through the small hole in the chair frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Confirm that the new harness has a mark at 13.5 inches from the blue tape. If it does not, measure and mark it. Thread the harness behind the 2 horizontal sections of the chair frame, then over and behind the horizontal massage mechanism frame. Position the blue tape just below the massage mechanism frame. Install the ground wire loop onto the ground wire screw, followed by the washer, then replace the screw to secure the ground wire to the mechanism. Connect the mechanism connectors to the corresponding harness connectors, matching the colors you marked on the mechanism connectors to the harness connector colors. Bundle the connectors and cables and place them on top of the lower horizontal metal frame. Using a new zip tie, secure the left end of the bundle to the frame. Using a new zip tie, secure the middle of the bundle to the frame. Using a new zip tie and the small hole in the frame, secure the right end of the bundle to the frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Connect the small blue connector to the mechanism. Using a new zip tie and the upper small hole in the frame, secure the wiring near the round blue filter to the frame. Make sure the zip tie head is positioned to the side. Using a new zip tie and the lower small hole in the frame, secure the other harness cable to the frame. Make sure the zip tie head is positioned to the side. Cut the excess zip ties. Using a new zip tie, secure the two harness cables together toward the top of the mechanism at the lower end of the blue tape. Using a new zip tie, secure the massage mechanism harness at the upper end of the blue tape to the horizontal frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Using a new zip tie, secure the massage mechanism harness to the spring at the marked location. Cut the excess zip tie. Next, we'll replace the side panel. Note the horseshoe bracket at the rear of the side panel and the corresponding post on the chair. Connect each of the chair air hoses to the side panel, in order. Zip the side panel to the chair. Place the front of the side panel onto the chair frame, then slide the panel backwards to engage the horseshoe bracket with the post. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, replace the bolt to secure the front of the side panel to the chair. Next, we'll replace the back cover. Note the two longer tabs on the lower edge of the back cover. Note the two corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the tabs into the slots and the back cover into position. Lower the back cover slightly to confirm that both tabs are installed in the slots. Replace and partially tighten the 6 screws to secure the back cover to the chair. Finish tightening the screws. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.